What is observational learning?
Observation learning is learning by observing others, also called social learning. We humans can learn without direct experience because we learn by observing and copying others.
We learn archetypes of specific behavior by observing and imitating models, a process called modeling. Modeling is important to observational learning and it has 4 stages of modeling, which is make observational learning successful.
The first one is called attention, where we focus on others' behavior. It is influenced by motivation and interest of observer and the personality characteristics of model. In retention, we capture the behavior of others that we have observed and encode the action in our brain. And in the production process, we actually perform the behavior that we have encoded. Lastly, motivation is the last process of modeling or social learning. In this part, we find the behavior usefulness to us. Also, if the model receives positive reinforcement, then this will increase the likelihood that the observer will repeat the behavior.
Mirrors in the brain. When we watch others doing or feeling something, neurons fire in a pattern that would fire if we were having the feeling ourselves or doing the action. These neurons are referred to as a mirror neuron, which is located in the brain frontal lobe. They fire only when we perform a certain action or when we observe someone else performing the action. The brain's neuron of another action may enable imitation and empathy.
Albert Bandura designed a famous experiment called social learning or modeling behavior experiment, which later was known as Boudreaux experiment in 1961. His experiment explains social learning, which is learning by observing others' action. It also shows that people not only learn by being rewarded or punished themselves, but they can also learn by watching others being rewarded or punished. When children watch adults being rewarded for aggression, they too act aggressively when in a room with Boudreaux.
Pro-social behavior, positive, constructive, helpful behavior. The opposite of antisocial behaviors. The good news is that pro-social model can have positive effects, but at the same time, bad news from Binder's study is that antisocial model can have negative effects. This helps us understand why abusive parents might have aggressive children.